Hello, this will be a video about how to practice your Spanish using your telephone's dictionary and news apps. First, you'll need to go to Settings on your phone. And when you're there, you can click on General if you have an iPhone. Then you'll scroll down to where it says Dictionary. And you can see I already have several dictionaries chosen that I like to have on my phone because of different languages I like to read in. Obviously English. I also have studied a little Japanese and French, and I have Spanish-English dictionary there. That will translate for me. I'm going to go ahead and also click off the Spanish dictionary on mine, which will provide a definition of the word in Spanish. So now I have that one as well. I just click it off. There's my other dictionaries. Now I need to open up something where I can read in Spanish. For example, I have the Univision Noticias app. Some other news apps that you might like to try are these. And when I open up my Univision Noticias app, I can just read a news article. So I'll just pick this one right here. And as I'm reading, whenever I find a word that I don't know what it means, I can just click on the word and click on Look Up. And now because I've added those dictionaries, now I can see what it means in English, as well as at the top there you can see the definition in Spanish since I just added that dictionary as well. And then I can just click Done, keep reading, and again, if I get to a word that I'm not sure what it means or I want to see if my guess is correct, just click on it. It's got the definition and the English translation. Then I can just click Done, and I can go back and keep reading the article. And it really helps to just be able to immediately see what the definition of the word is. It helps me remember it too. So again, I have on my phone the Univision Noticias app. I also have the notifications allowed for that so that I can get notifications, a little one sentence in Spanish summary of the news. If you would like, there's obviously tons of other apps you can use to listen to read the news in Spanish. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video.